copped this last week. It came pretty quick. Let's do it. Nice, huge box, man. All right. Let's get into presentation. Definitely a decent presentation. I was going to do a video on this. I got this for $29. Has a nice box. Has the Lattafa Pride booklet. Let's get into the fragrance. Oh, it's a big bottle. It's heavy. This thing could be used for home security. All right. Okay. Let's spray it. Wow. Listen, my buddy brought in Blue Talisman for me to smell. And from what I remember, this comes damn close. This is so